Hi guys, welcome to the Premsoft Technical channel. In the Python GUI series, today we are going to see how to generate the electricity bill. So what type of electricity bill we are going to generate? First I will show you in the output. So I will just open here our file name electricitybill.py. Will generate this type of bill. If I give here 50, my electricity bill is 100. Actually in this one I did not write the logic, everything I am going to write from the fresh. So this is our program guys for this electricity bill. Already basic things I wrote because we discussed a lot in the previous classes, in my previous videos. Those who did not watch that, please I will suggest you please watch it. That what I did, I imported the two files. One is tkinter and one is message box. These two files I imported. After that I created the object of tk, nothing but tkinter object I have created, that is root. The geometry is nothing but what will be my width and height. Width will be 600, height will be 300. Then my title of my window will be electricity bill. So this title is electricity bill. After that I am writing this logic. This logic I will explain is little bit later. I will just remove from here. First I am creating the title guys. Guys, I wrote everything because I don't want to waste your time. So I created the title. In the label I wrote root. What is my text? Electricity bill. And here 150 is left side space and from the top it is 20 pixel. Nothing but I created one label. Like this second label I created as what? Units. So here the first label is nothing but this one, electricity. You can see here. This label is about electricity bill. And this units is nothing but this label. Guys, already I discussed a lot about this one, so I am not explaining from the very scratch. You can just watch my previous video to get more clarity. And then I want this text box. Text box is nothing but what guys? Entry. So I created one entry and I place it from left side it is 170 and from the top it is 50. And then I created what? Insert button. Insert button is nothing but command. Command I give validate. Validate is nothing but I have to write the code for this one. So now we'll discuss about the code. That code we will write below to this electricity bill. So nothing but we have to create a method on the name of validate. It is not necessary that validate we can give any variable name. Now my unit. Suppose I am reading the units. What is my unit? Unit store in the unit B. Nothing but this entry is variable name is unit B. So unit B dot get. So whatever I enter the value, that value will come in the string. So I am converting into integer first. Now if my unit is less than 100. I will not compare. I will consider that if anybody is using the unit is 100, I wanted to give them a fixed price rupees 150. Means you use 50 units, 60 units, 70 unit or 100 unit, doesn't matter. Your bill will be only 150. This is the first condition. What is the second condition? I will write elif. Second condition will be what? Elif. In the elif I will write unit less than or equals to, let us say I am having here 150. So what slabs I want, you first discuss about the slabs here. Suppose let us say you consume the unit 50. Your bill is fixed. How much? 150. Because for first 100 unit the bill price is 150. So whether you consume 50, 70, 80 doesn't matter. Your bill will be what? 150 rupees only. So for I will write here for 100 rupees your bill charges will be 150. No like calculation, nothing is required here in the first situation. But if you consume the 100 to 150, so let us assume you consume the electricity between 100 unit to 150 unit. So how much you have to pay? You have to pay, let us say 2 rupees 50 paisa per unit. How much you have to pay? 2 rupees 50 paisa per unit. Suppose I consume 1110. So how much will you pay? 1110 into 2.5. So how much it will be? It will be like 110 is 220, 220 plus 55. So the amount will be around, I can say 275. Just will cross check with the calculator. Okay. So I consume 110 multiply with 2.5. Yes, 275. If this is about what? Up to 150. Suppose if I consume more than 150 if it is in and less than 200. So 150 to 200 my bill charges will be 3 rupees per unit. If I consume, let us say 300, 100, 200 to 300, this is about 200 to 300. This is about 100 to 200. So in between 200 to 300, how much I have to pay? I will pay 4 rupees 50 paisa per unit. You can take your different charges, and if it is more than 300 and less than 500, nothing but 300 to 500, I wanted to pay, or I can say we have to pay from per liter per unit 5 rupees. So how to convert this into the programming? So that's for that first we have to write the if this is checked. If unit is less than 150, so what are the charges? I will write message box, same thing I will copy and paste it. Charges will be, we have to calculate now here. How to calculate the charges? So simple, show info bill amount. My bill amount, how much you want? 150. Now units, unit into, what is the your condition you have given? If the charges is 100 to 150, 2 rupees 50 paisa. So you can just multiply with 2 rupees 50 paisa. 2 rupees 50 paisa. Here I am giving the 100 rupees is fixed, okay, because in the first you have to pay, okay, 150 we gave, so I will keep here 150 only. If it is more than 150, so compulsory, if units are more than 100 and less than 150, so what we are keeping? 2 rupees 50 paisa. So I have to give here point. Now we'll just see whether it is working fine or not. So just compile this. So here I am giving 110. As per our rule, we should get 275. Yes, 275 rupees. Here we will give guys beautiful messages and all. We will just work on that one also. Basic things we are doing now. After that, what we have to do? This is about 150. So if 150 is crossed, one more else if will come. Elif unit less than or equals to 250. First I will write all the conditions. So I will just copy and paste the same thing. Space, and here condition is changing 3 rupees. So instead of 2 rupees 50 paisa, we will write 3. Second. After that, what we want? Next condition is 4 rupees 50 paisa, nothing but 200 to 300. Sorry, here it is up to 200 only. If it is more than 200, so more than 200, 200 to 300, elif, directly we can write unit less than or equals to 300. And guys, one more thing, don't get confused. If it is greater than 200, then only it is coming here. So no need to check the 200 condition again here. So I will just copy and paste it, and here we have to pay how much? 4 rupees 50 paisa per unit. After that, the last condition will be what? Instead of guys taking the more than 300 and less than 500, I will consider anything above 300. I have to pay 5 rupees. So last, we no need to write multiple condition. We can write only else, again column, and here I will write what? Anything above 300, 5 rupees per unit. And message box, we can just first we'll see the output of this one. Electricity bill. Let us say I gave the 210. My bill amount will be 945. Is it working fine or not as per this? See, 210 is nothing but we are coming into this scenario. So 210 into 4.5. So just see the calculator. 210 into 4.5. How much? We are getting 945. So like this we can consider. So we'll just see one more output so that we will get 100% assurance that our software is working perfectly fine. So we'll just take one more input. Now you tell me input whatever it is you want. We'll take it, let us say 450. If I consume 450, 2250. So as per our program, 450 means 5 rupees per unit. So let's calculate it. So I consume 450 into 5, because anything above 300, 5 rupees per unit. We are getting 2250. In our output also we are getting the same thing. So like this we can design this application. I hope you got clarity about this one. So like this we can generate the electricity bill. I hope you like, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching this video, guys.